Yo guys, do you play My Scene Monsters? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get a My Scene Monsters hack for iOS and Android. So this gives you unlimited gems, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go to this site. So as you can see, I'm broke. When I press this, I can get unlimited diamonds. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So as you can see, I've only got this amount of diamonds right here. So hopefully it starts working, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this My Scene Monsters hack so you can get unlimited diamonds. So as you can see, this is what we got right now. Pathetic. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. As you can see, the diamonds are going to the moon. So I'm going to show you how to get it. So first thing is go to tweakmod.com. Type in My Scene Monsters, and then just press it. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification, so this is the last step. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow instructions. It's 100% for free, and then you will have the My Scene Monsters hack on your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, so yeah, it's super wild, so I'm just going to wait for it to download. As you can see, so let's just give it a second for this to load, and we should be good to go. So at the end, it might say like missing files or something. So as you can see, it says like whatever, you know what I mean. But just download some of these. We got like Family Island. It says reach level 11. Then we got Reco Social. It says install, make an account. So peace out, guys. Just do 2 of them. You're gonna be good to go. So have fun. There's no jailbreak, no computer. So peace out, guys, and enjoy.